Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a light diffuser on a Sub-Zero 700 series TC-2 or 3. Push these little locks here down, and then you take the diffuser and you push it rear or either towards the front or the back to release it. I have to jiggle it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so what you need to know about this, you got these T slots here, right? It's 4. And you got those pins up there, those sticking out. When you put this back in, you have to line up the T slots with those 4 pegs and then push up and pull forward or rearward, either way, and then you put the locks back on, and that's all there is to it.